Hi, folks. Tuesday morning, Matt Noyes, 1 degree outside today. The next 24 hours, I could try and wake you up, but why do that when these kids have so much energy? Say hello to the Sacred Heart School in Haverhill. Don't you love that? So full of energy. Second and third grade, thank you very much for a wonderful visit. Had a great time with you yesterday in the Bradford section of Haverhill. Sacred Heart School. And we talked about all kinds of weather. We talked about the water cycle. You name it, we covered it. If you want us to come out and see your school, maybe we still can. Get on over to 1degreeoutside.com and click on school visits. All right, meanwhile, here's what's going on for us today. We're talking about a cold start this morning, a frost, a freeze in a number of spots for us, but the temperature turnaround technically begins today. There'll be a lot of clouds, but tomorrow you really notice we get some showers this evening and tonight opens the door to the new air that's in here tomorrow, and then it still looks like it's going to be a great Halloween. The cold feeling that we have this morning isn't so much because of the wind at all. The wind is really light. It's the actual temperature. Yeah, we've gotten down to the freezing mark in a number of spots here. Do we rebound today? We do. We do. Actually, it might even feel a little bit better than yesterday, even though the clouds are going to be filling in for us here. And certainly making it feel like it's a little bit cooler as a result. You can see those clouds as we get through the middle of the day. Actually, this morning, just a little patch of fog here and there, some of the hills of Connecticut, Western Mass. Be careful if that car thermometer is below 32 and you have a little of that fog. There may be just a slick spot here and there. It should be very, very isolated. But as we get on through, let's say, the afternoon at 3:15, now we start to see some of the showers beginning to creep their way across the New York state line. And if we go forward to about 5:30, well, now you've got scattered showers even coming into eastern New England. Remember, these showers, the leading edge to the new, milder air coming in. It does rain pretty good tonight in the northern portions of New England, where we get about a quarter to a half inch. Otherwise, it's probably 100ths of an inch in southern New England, maybe a tenth of an inch when you get into southern New Hampshire. It's all gone by tomorrow morning. The sun will come back out and the temperature will start to go up, although it's a slow process getting the sun to come out, but it will gradually over the course of the day. Today, it's the other way around. You start out with some sun this morning, it tends to go away, and the temperature stays down. Even though we're talking about warmth coming in high in the sky, you just don't feel it at ground level. There's not a lot of wind to move that around, and that's why the farther north you go, the more we find temperatures today that'll be stuck in the 40s. Certainly that's the case in portions of northern New England, and when you get into the great north for that matter as well, where you hold on to sun longest, but it doesn't make a whole lot of difference when it comes to the temperature. You're still going to be running in the 40s for highs, and that's about the best you can do. I will say that you hold in the 40s tonight because you've got showers coming through, clouds that'll be around, and this sets you up for the rebound into the 70s tomorrow and 80 by the time we get to Halloween. Hearing from so many of you now, your order has come in. You're so happy to have your swag, and we're so happy you got it. Swag.1degreeoutside.com if you'd like to order yours. Look forward to seeing you again just a little bit with insights, that deeper dive into meteorology on 1degreeoutside.com and our Noyes 1 Degree Outside weather app.